100 synonyms in English. Big, large, small, tiny, fast, quick, happy, joyful, sad, unhappy, smart, intelligent, dumb, stupid, easy, simple, hard, difficult, begin, start. Buy, purchase, end, finish, slow, sluggish, help, assist, ask, inquire, tell, inform, show, display, make, create, get, receive, say, speak. See, observe, look, watch, need, want, choose, select, break, crack, cut, slice, clean, tidy, dirty, messy, rich, wealthy, poor, needy, weak, feeble, strong, powerful, pick, choose, throw, toss, brave, courageous, afraid, scared, funny, humorous, serious, grave, quiet, silent, noisy, loud, young, youthful, old, ancient, beautiful, pretty, ugly, unattractive, new, fresh, true, real, fake, false, right, correct, wrong, incorrect, important, significant, famous, well-known, common, usual, quickly, rapid, slowly, gradually, rare, uncommon, never, ever, sometimes, occasionally, always, every time, before, earlier, after, later, now, currently, soon, shortly, old-fashioned, traditional, modern, contemporary, tired, exhausted, friendly, kind, rude, impolite, honest, truthful, dishonest, untruthful, hungry, starving, thirsty, parched, free, available, busy, occupied, shallow, superficial, beautiful, gorgeous, lucky, fortunate, unlucky, unfortunate, safe, secure, dangerous, risky, wide, broad, healthy, fit, sick, ill, angry, mad, calm, peaceful, narrow, tight, cold, chill, hot, warm, wet, damp, dry, arid, deep, profound, bright, shiny, dark, dim, expensive, costly, cheap, inexpensive, funny, amusing, sad, depressed, close, near, far, distant, heavy, weighty, light, slight. Write a comment. Like and subscribe for more knowledge.